Hi, welcome to another unboxing video along with the brief long-term review of the product. This is the MyBuddy Care portable laptop stand from Portronics. I purchased it from Amazon for Rs 499 last March, and here's my review after 7 months of use. It's a lightweight metal stand made of aluminum alloy, weighing around 250 grams as advertised by the company. It has 7 adjustable heights, although the package mentioned it has 6, which is a nice surprise. The quality of the material is good for the price. Its form factor and portability are quite handy if you move around with your laptop a lot. However, this stand works best on flat and steady surfaces, so it's not a great choice if you are planning to use it on bed. It supports laptop up to 15.6 inches. I have been using it with my Asus VivoBook Pro 15 and it holds the laptop securely without any wobbling. If you are interested in buying, I have added links to the HSAT model and a variant in the description in case this one is out of stock. Those are affiliate links and purchasing through them supports the channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. If you like the video, please consider subscribing.